Hi guys, this is App Unwrapper. I'm back with Adventure Escape Mysteries, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get through Chapter 3 of Painted Worlds. Enjoy! Alright, so grab the beach ball, and then deflated tube. Also, the blue paint drop, the yellow paint drop, or orange rather, sorry, that was an orange paint drop, the red and the green. If you can't find them, I circled them on my website. So let's drop the beach ball down the hole. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is look at this door. Okay, now come back. We need directions. So tap this metal tube here and fish fly out. If you keep doing it, you see there's one fish and then there's two fish. Red fish, blue fish. No. So one fish, two fish going in that direction. Then there's three going left. You see flying through the sky, and four going right. So come here, tap this direction once for one fish, then again for two fish, and then left for three fish and right for four fish. Okay, let's go inside. Alright, now pick up the rag, dry rag, and the air hose. Okay. Also, purple paint drop, yellow paint drop. Now we can paint. So, let's find some clues. There's this. Remember that. There's this. And there's this, Raincloud recipe. Let's paint it in. So now we have a recipe. We'll come back to that. Okay. Tap on this, paint it in. So now we have some numbers. Alright, these numbers are important. Let's use them. So we have 4 white, 1 blue, 3 white, 2 green, 2 white, 3 yellow, 1 white, 4 orange, 0 white, 5 red. So tap on these buttons on the floor and basically just copy that. So 1 blue, 2 green, 3 yellow, 4 orange, and 5 red. Alright, before we climb up, let's move the clouds. So one of them, so the left one is over these, okay? And climb up, and we're going to, so we need purple water. So paint this cloud, it's going to be purple. And now fill it. Okay, so now we have an unpurified Raincloud solution. Notice also this clue here, the few scratches, okay? Let's go down. let's deal with the scratches. So we have one here. We have an X, a plus, and an X. Then the next one is plus, and then 3 X's. And then there was that one at the top, a plus, an X, and a plus. Now if you put them together, they look like this on the bottom of the kettle. Okay? So you just want to copy that pattern. If you put them together, again, I showed it on my website. You can see it's hard to describe it with words, but it goes X plus X plus X, then plus X, X, X plus. Okay, now it's boiling. All right, next, let's go over here. We need to filter the solution. So pour it in here. They've done puzzles like this before. It's not new. All right, so this is how it's going to go. So the top, look at the bottom, how you want things to look. So we need gray, pink, orange, and yellow to go on the left, and we need green, blue, purple, and black to go on the right. So if you look at them, I'm going to put this here and show you why it works. So gray and pink both have lightning bolts, right? They're the only ones with lightning bolts, so they're going to go to the left. And then orange and yellow also have to go to the left. So everything else, anything that's not a lightning bolt or orange and yellow is going to go to the right. So that leaves you with the green, blue, purple, and black. So we're good there, okay? Then next, we want to split up. We want gray and pink on one side and orange and yellow on the other. So to do that, again, remember gray and pink are lightning bolts. So if we put only if we make sure only lightning bolts get to the side, the way to do that is have particles or dots and lines go to the right. See yellow and orange. Yellow is dots, orange is lines. So now anything that's not dots or lines will go to the left, which will leave you lightning bolts. And now we have gray. We need gray to go to the left. So if you do that, gray will go to the left, everything else will go to the right, pink will go to the right. So now let's work on the rest. Notice that green and blue both look like that weird not a thundercloud, but it's like a very specific shape. You see this shape? That's blue and green. So blue and green are going to go to the left. Everything else is going to go to the right, which is purple and black. Next, we have, oh, I forgot, orange and yellow. I forgot to do orange and yellow. So orange and yellow, since yellow is only one on that side, that's going to work. There's other ways to do this. There's a few different ways, but this is how I'm doing it. All right, so now we need green and blue. Green has lines, blue has dots, right? So if we do this, lines to the left will be green, and everything else, such as dots, will go to the right for blue. Purple is lines, and again, black is dots. I think you could have interchanged those. There's a few different ways. But there we go. That's how it should look. And then press the arrow at the top. Yay! Okay. Now, We're gonna go look at this again. So we need a total of 15 units. So we have to solve these equations. If purple is green times 3 and blue is green times 2 and turquoise or light blue is green plus 1. If you do the math and have green as 2, then 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3. So then you get 6 purple, 4 blue, 3 turquoise, 2 green, and that equals 15, okay? Take my word for it. So let's come up here, place this down. Okay, so 15. So purple is 6. I'm just going to empty it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue, dark blue is 4. Light blue is 3. And green is 2. Now turn the knob, or handle rather. It's boiling. Alright, clean up the oil leak and you'll have a greasy rag. Now let's head out. Tap on the door. Alright, so this is stuck. So use the greasy rag on it. Now pull it to the left. Okay, grab the umbrella. Alright, let's inflate the tube. And grab it. And also grab all these gems. Alright, now we have all the gems. Tap on the puzzle. Okay, so here we go. This is how it will look. Again, I have a screenshot but on my website, but you can just copy me here too. Okay, I'll sit down. Now, give him the tube. Okay, turn the key. Okay, use another flower to get up. All right, another puzzle. All right, so again, we have 9 blue in this column, so fill those in first. Same here, 9. And we have 4 down the middle here together, and 4 along here together as well. All right, now let's work on the rest. There's only 1 blue in these 2. You see that? There's no orange in this row. Only 3 reds. So 3 reds, 6 blue. So if there's no blue on this line, there's no blue in those 2 spots. So those have to be red, right? So then that's red too. And the rest is blue. Okay? Next, you see that it's 6 red together on that second column. So we have to do 6 there. And there's no orange on the bottom row. So it has to be orange here. Okay? And there's 2 blue. So let's add that other blue. So the next one, let's see, what else can we work on here? So look at the last 3. Look at these 4 that have 3 threes and they're set in place. So you know that they have to be here, at least 3 of them at least. So let's leave those here for now. We'll figure out the rest. But 2 oranges there. You can see that these have to be orange because there's 2. All right. What else? So when there's 2 in place, it's easier to figure it out. The bottom one has 3. We don't know yet that it's those specific 3. Oh, but we do know that 6 on this row have to be together. So 6, and there's 2 blue, so there's the other blue. Okay. Let's see, what else? Here we know there's 3 reds together, so we can put them, we know it's going to at least be here. And we know that this is going to be blue. So one of those, let's see. Okay, so there's no more blues in this row. There's 6 blues in this row. Let's see. There's only 1 blue here. 3 orange together. What can we do? I'm trying to show you the right way and not just show you the answer. Okay, so this row has 2 orange together, so it has to be there. That means the last one is red. Okay. And this has 2 orange together, this row here. And there's only 1 blue, so we could fill in the rest with red. Okay. This one has 3 orange next to each other, and only 1 blue, so we could fill in the rest with red. Starting to look like something, right? This has 2 orange together, and we already have the 4 blue, so we know this is red. We already have the 4 blue. No, we don't have 4 blue there yet. Okay. I don't want to fill that in yet. We have the 3 red here. We know there's no orange, so we know these are blue. We know these... this has 6. I mean, it's pretty obvious at this point what it is, but... We have 4 blue here already, so let's fill in those 3. So this we know has 5 red, so there's the 5th red. And this has 3 red next to each other. This has 3 red next to each other, 3 red next to each other, 3 red next to each other, so these have to be blue. There we go. It's a butterfly. And that's chapter 3. I'll be back with chapter 4 in the next video. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.